welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia came out for Adasa. Now, she's saying that Adasa is allegedly speaking about her on her platform and, making complaints. And she said that, she's the one that's basically putting bread in her pocket. And so she shouldn't be complaining when she has content to play. And Marcia, she's just talking a whole lot of things about the situation because she's saying that basically that Odessa should have been quiet and just watch the content and go ahead and play the content. But however, she is making, you know, a big deal out of the hours or the time that Marcia stayed on her platform. So go and catch the video, guys, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my friends, my supporters, my subscribers, have yourselves a beautiful day. All right, everyone, have a beautiful day.
Dirty woman, market woman. What you call it now? Chimpanzee, market woman. You may a chat, you know who yourself is. What they call dirty, Adasa. Me I give you a little fame. I'm giving you a little fame. Nasty, molly, germs, the carbon pussy woman. You may a chat to. How for name you been calling up for months now? When you talk about me on my live here towards I mean I do this, I mean do that. What the fuck you watch me for? Hey, what you watching me for? If you never watch me for 8 hours straight, how is it you know me there? And if you never sit up in a house a night to watch me and my man, then how is it you can talk about it? But you never come do your fucking job. Your job was to come lick up the cum. That is your job. So what you are complaining for? You're complaining because you never get the cum to lick up? You nasty, drunk, or dirty woman. Careless woman. Oh, are you? What is the problem? You can't stay at Jamaica in a little piece of whole bumbleclot, Wapland dog house. And I talk about you have 4-bedroom house. I mean, I have no house. Then, away you come from? Away a little whole crusty, underprivileged, blood clot market woman like you come from, but you bright yourself with me. Eh? Dirty, stinking crotch, molly, no drawers, tear up drawers, drunk, dark shit woman. Where you come from, I bright yourself with me. Bumble clot, dirty grass clot woman. Me stay in your fucking lane. Eh? Didn't I stay in your lane? You little fucking barracuda, whole blood clot, thinking frownsy, molly, pussy head woman. Didn't I tell you to stay in your fucking lane and tap call up my name over your page? Eh? Didn't I tell you to tap call my name on your page? For your page? Who are you? Where you come from? You can't talk about nobody. When last you get yourself a good fuck? Eh? You must talk about relationship because you're done. Nobody no want you. You're a pussy thing too because you sit down up in a market in a sun at every fucking day and a long piece of whole frock. Where you get water from for bed with when hurricane come the other day? Eh? Me have water flowing. Flowing. We don't have no stagnant water, boy. Where did you get water wash up your thinking crotch? Eh? Where you get it from? When did you get light? To look something for them. Who are you talking to? Eh? Who are you talking to? Do I know you? Do I know you? Skettle woman. Careless, dirty, cranny woman. You can't bet all your pussy similar like a henny folk right now. You can't come talk about me and my friend and my man. My man a careless man because he chat to me. Oh, are the best blood clot woman ever chat to. Are the best woman him ever talk to in her life. Me not ask you. And one of the best pussy he ever get in her life. Me not ask you. If me in a bed and name want to give a pussy because I want to come out and argue. So I make you never come give him for you because I sure no say me that throw you right through the blood clot window. Because from me look upon you, and see how you turn up the day when the woman come check you. Me know say you don't have proper hygiene. Me know say right now your blood clot armpit think like any bohag. I don't even think you have blood clot money for buy deodorant put on the armpit. Me know say right now on their blood clot armpit, you hear them long, then can blood clot plot and turn into weave. Me nah hacks your family look upon you. Me know say your armpit smell like a blood clot shit house. Don't even talk about your thinking mouth. When last you got a dentist, you can't talk to Marcia. You can't go over your page and about your go and move your bumbo clot and go sit down. With your thinking mouth. You need some J's. If you got J's out your pussy, bitch. Who you think you're talking to? Who you think you're talking to? You don't see what your name? You don't see what you give your name? Dirty cranny woman. Ugly bitch ass gorilla woman. Anybody, you can't talk about the body and the belly. You can't talk about the body and the man. You can't talk about who no one who. You know who me talk to? You can never in your life get one of the man that me ever date in my life. All when me face the rank and think, the man them still want me said we. Me nah ask you. All when me face the out ass, me go let you know say I eat them love. Man no want a little pruny woman nowadays. They want a woman who can challenge them. They want woman who can defend them. And they want a woman who can be spontaneous and make them happy. In a blood clot man nowadays no want a little puny woman. That's why they good up man them from where you think in a big office they run to blood clot get a girl. How will you talk about? Come talk to me. No, what you talking about? What you worry about of me in a bed and man want look a crotch? Him get him rounds already. Him never forget one rasmo if him touch me up and play with me. Him get where him forget already. Nothing more him must want a little bit more kind of blood clot sweet like a honey. Unfortunate for you, you wasn't getting none because you were sitting and watching me. You were sitting and watching me. So if my man in a bed play with me, then what you not play with? Were you playing with a piece of blood clot, piece of cucumber? Cause you sure know so the man don't want you. Any man want you must want blood clot donkey. Can anybody don't want you? Anybody want you? So you when you come and complain and talking about how me cock up 8 hours. So what happened to when blood clot Ashanti 360 over there on the pussy clot page? For 8, 9 hours. And 10 hours. What happened to there's a blood clot 99 when him come on fucking 5, 6, 7 times a day? Me and my own a blood clot boss, so I can do what I want. Me must know where my money I come from. So I can stay on the life and do what I want. Me in a nice apartment with nice lovely AC. Me not burn up in a blood clot so not. No fan no de pa me a blow pa me. Me well nice and comfortable. And me know say me have whole heap of soap and rag and towel for wash up my crotch. When me man just done fuck me, you know have it. You were waiting so you can come lick me pussy and take the cum where you come out of my pussy. And that's what you need. But you're not getting it because it come the too good for you. To make you look like a somebody. Because this a come and rejuvenate you and make you look blood clot young. Because you look fucking tired and whole, you bitch. You don't have a fucking visa, don't talk about foreign. You is a fucking follower and a leader. Go away from yes, sir. Me a the big deal, boy. And me on a blood clot content. Drunk or dark shit, woman. You big old slut. With your crusty, moldy blood clot body. Your mouth fucking full of parasite and germs and full of cavity. Go a dentist. When last you go make a doctor push up something in your blood clot to check you? If you see if you're no parasite up in that blood clot, well, the parasite not up in there must come like a blood clot cement. Kind of man now fuck you, so no juice not in there. Who you think you're talking to? Dirty Adasa. Who you think you're talking to? Bumbo clot swine, pussy old woman. Who you think you're talking to? Stay in your blood clot lane, dirty crotches woman. You can't talk to me? Who you think you is? You don't even get a fucking visa. The only visa you get is to push a blood clot hand cart and go sell your blood clot market goods them. Who gives a fuck about your whole house? You don't even have a fucking proper sheet to put on that blood clot bed. Me can't bet you go in the bathroom right now, you don't even have a blood clot, not even a scoop of toothpaste to brush your fucking little bad teeth and we have in your head. Mutless, you can't come talk to me. Talk to who? Bitch. You can't talk to who? We are talking about man and me come out here and give you a blood clot, man. The whole of una dirty pussy clot sit down on social media. I lost off of my blood clot man dick. And I lost off of my good pussy. You know, wish you know in a position because you sit down there on Facebook hours and night. I wash out Marcia blood clot because you don't want a man to fuck you now. You don't have the body to fuck you now. So what happen? You have to sit down and watch me. That is your fucking job. Sit your blood clot and watch me. So if me want to come up here at 8, 9 hours, and that is your fucking job, bitch. Use a underprivileged, dirty, dark shit. And you fi pussy clot watch me. I am the bumbo clot star here. That is your fucking duty. Watch me and shut the fuck up. You nasty pussy old dirty woman. You may a chat to. Blood clot, cranny market woman. You may a bumbo clot chat to. That is your fucking job. So if me dear 8 hours, you should have fucking glad because you have contents. You depressed pussy hole, you. You have to see me and watch me. You nasty dark shit. That me is your blood clot company. So what you bumbo clot you complain for? What you expect to see over here? What you expect? You know, not movie production over here. What you expect? You is watching me. You're in a bumbo clot body. Me and the pussy clot star. You watch me. You're in nobody. That is what your fucking job is. Because you know, you can't create no content for yourself. You is fucking dunce. Your life is fucking boring. What are you gonna blog about? A pussy clot breadfruit and a blood clot banana? What are you gonna blog about? You know have to come watch me. If me not give you content, what the bumbo clot you go and pussy rascal talk about? Drunk woman. What are you going to talk about? Who you think is styling? Who you think is styling? What you know about me? You have nothing? But you have 4 bedroom house. Who give a fuck? The 4 bedroom house you have the 4 bedroom has a blood clot. Jamaica can't even make one. They can't manage you have a fucking piece of shit they itch up in a blood clot corner. The piece of bed. You don't even think you have a fucking bed there. Maybe they itch up on 2 blood clot block. Who are you talking to? This little dark shit, nobody. Market blood clot never see come see woman. We are trying to get a ride off a Marcia coattail. Where she named blood clot donkey Adasa. Make me give her 50 minutes of fame. Cause me give a fame out here now lately. Cause every blood clot I want a piece of me like a gully bop. Everybody want a piece of a Marcia. Because you no fucking broke. Your bumbo clot, the new contents, them start at the first of the month. Let me give you a blood clot $10. So you can go buy some bumbo pussy clot more skelly next month. And some blood clot pepper, bitch. So me I give it to you. I am being generous. You stinking dark shit, yo. Go on you. You're ugly no blood clot and tough. You need a good blood clot soaking in some bleach and jizz. I can smell you. From me look upon me know you smell like a then stinking pussy where in a mag. Who you think you're talking to? You look like blood clot him bomb dead. Look how you look. You can't talk to nobody. You can't talk to me. Talk to who? She over there style me up and I go on. Who you? Did I threaten you? Me say, if you not trouble my friend and me, I will not go out with no fuckery. And if me was a wicked woman, I'd say 3 blood clot man come up in front of you. Tell me which part the threat there. But go call the blood clot police. I say if me come out, I come tell you that. You call the police for me. So go and call the police for me. And so me say, go to a Jamaica police and say, if you that's a 3-man top in front of you. So come tell me which party threat that. Careless market woman. Underprivileged bitch. Never come see. You come on social media, come and talk about Miss Woman halfway head or mad and have what kind of blood clot head. I run mad. The reason why me say something about that because she look like a fucking devil. It's not what she said, is when I look and see say Messi says a blood clot dopey me see pan the fucking video. My spirit get crossed because I love to see blood clot and wanted spirits. That's why me answer when the woman send it come give me. You understand the reason why me see, because whenever me see blood clot demon, my spirit get crossed. Because a demon me see pan her pussy clot when she make that video. Me not see nothing but one blood clot whole witch woman, me see. The same witch woman when me see pan her pussy clot when me been talking about on social media from the past few years. And that me see what she portrayed in that bomber clot video. That's why me get mad. That's one of the reasons why me get mad, because me see the blood clot evil witch woman panara. Go take that and black about that pussy clot. Every day you come out and both people are mad over who are mad over what. Then me ask you a question. Let me ask you an intelligent question. Then now with the pussy clot she can come America, yeah. To make people are mad over her. You tell me. Am I the one who are mad over her, or are you are mad over she? You see me a worship woman? You see me a run down pussy? I dick me run down. I'm in a run down that. As you can see, my relationship, I am in fully controlled. I do what I want to do, and I say what I want to say. He's in fully control. He's a boss. I am a boss. None of us are not controlling each other. I am entitled to behave and say whatever I want to say. Because this blood clot apartment, me in here, it is mine. It's not his. It is mine. I want a bomber clot idiot. And that is to show you any fucking thing me say. And to create certain things when I run with that pussy clot. Him have his own place, I have my own place. When I pay that bill to the office downstairs, a Marcia bomber clot money carry down there. No man, or whoever me a date and a date not, don't have no jurisdiction over this a girl. I run my own show, and he run his own show. So me can say whatever the fuck I want to say. It don't have nothing to do with you. You complaining about me sit down pan your 8 hours and me no want go nyam. Or you mean say me no want go nyam food and me get up. Me already done nyam 2 steamed cabbage and jerk chicken when me say me I come make something other food. That day there 3 plate of food me nyam in the night. From in a day me and nyam. So what you watching me for? Me not beg you nothing. My brother have a 4-bedroom blood clot nice house sit down pan in a Jamaica, you know. With brand new refurbished, you know, knock down the whole of the blood clot inside, worth over 60 million blood clot dollar compared to your own boss, you know. Me have land a country, you know. Where people them and me have me own like me have what me need to have. What you have? Come show me a documentation for where you live. You live now way? Me no know if you don't have control over man. No man can't tell me how to speak. If my man is in the bedside of me, what you expect him to do? He meet me as an independent blood clot woman, and he will leave me as an independent woman. From I know myself as a Marcia Campbell, no blood clot man no rule me and tell me what to do. I am in fully control and they are in fully control. If they can't take my language, them free to go. I'm not pussy clot married to nobody. And even if I'm married to you, you can't blood clot rule me either. If me say me going to Paris, me going to fucking Paris if you don't want to come. If I'm going to Jamaica, I'm going to Jamaica. You met me a bomber clot trouble, you can't tell me nah. No bomber clot